It's a fantastic day here at the Grand Palladium Resorts and Spas, and boy, I'm having such a good time. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of the greenery as I walk through the garden area leading up to the spa. It is my spa day and I am looking forward to a treat. I have long held the spa experience, the hydrotherapy experience here at the Grand Palladium as being one of the finest you can get here in the island of Jamaica. And so I'm off to get my spa fix. I will try and share with you some of what I'm experiencing. I'm not sure how much I'll get to share because I really get carried away when I get to the spa. Those of you who know me know I'm a spa baby. And we're going back to having our spa parties and our spa retreats. So you need to watch our spot here. You need to look out for our flyers. Do keep in touch with us because spa is such a vital part of your health, wellness and fitness routine. So I'm still trying to figure out the pronunciation of this word. I think it's what now? Zentropia? Yeah, that sounds right. And that is the spa. So I'll not just show you greenery and the name. I will show you the actual inside working, so stay tuned. Now, in every property that is family based, there's always an important need to have a quiet space exclusively for adults, and this is where it all starts. Looking so serene, such a beautiful day out, gentle Caribbean breeze blowing, a really wonderful day out. And this is the entryway to the spa and gym, and hopefully at some point I'll make it to the gym. I do have my sneakers. I have no guarantees I will use it, so we'll see what happens. But at this point, it's on to the spa. So another look, another feel as we slowly go on. And I have Desley.
Yeah, man. Best place to be in the West.
Of course, I agree. I would have missed a treat. I did not know that there is now the Healthy Habits bar here at the spa. It's getting better and better and better and better. So I really do not have to leave the spa. Oh my goodness. They have food. They have wraps and bars and drink and salads and a menu. Oh my gosh. Pues míralo. Look at this. I am so impressed. I am so impressed, and I haven't even shown you the wet area. I'm just seeing things. Oh my goodness. And we have a sweet girl too. Hi. Of course. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. This is absolutely amazing. Steam room and sauna, hot and cold plunge pools, and oh guys, I promise you, as soon as I have gotten a chance to make my body feel like a queen, I promise you I'll get back to making another segment. But the water calls, the water truly beckons, and I really don't like having water going to waste. So As much as I want to stay with you, I must leave you because I must go and indulge. So, until we get together again, this is Sharon from Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts
So of
Limited.
course, the health bar at the spa is really upping the whole experience. And for the wedding party that is currently getting their hair and nails done and their makeup, they made them a special fruit drink. Very, very warm. Well, it's warm in terms of the gesture, but nice and cool and fruity going down. And of course, because I'm a wedding specialist, I got the first sample. So having given the stamp of approval, it's on to the bridal party to rehydrate themselves and to get themselves ready for an absolutely amazing Palladium wedding. Truly enjoying my day at the spa today at the Grand Palladium Resort and Spa.